Hi everyone, welcome to the Elephant Robotics' channel. It's great to see you all. Today we're excited to introduce the amazing MyArm M750 robotic arm. Let's explore some of the impressive tasks it can perform in real-life scenarios. First of all, let's check out the first demo and see how effortlessly the MyArm M750 shines shoes. First, it picks up the oil brush, dips it in some shoe polish, and evenly applies it to the surface of the shoe. Then it switches to a clean cloth to wipe off the excess polish, making the shoes shine brightly. Look at that! These shoes are as shiny as new. Now, let's take a look at the second demo and see how it can help you play with blocks. It picks up the blocks and starts building a complex track structure, piece by piece at the beginning. Each block is placed precisely to form a perfect track. Once completed, we place a ball at the starting point and observe as it smoothly rolls along the track. These two application demos showcase the remarkable precision and control of this 6DOF robotic arm, MyArm M750. What else do you think it can do? Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and share it to your friends. We'll see you in next video.